Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Monday morning down here in Dover. The sun is shining. It's so picturesque here at Dover College. Absolutely love it. It's so peaceful. It's a wonderful place to be. I'm down here today, not sightseeing. I'm running 3 Lean Thinking 5S workshops with some young minds through the Rising Stars program. Really excited to do this today. I'm looking forward to the innovative ways that the young minds find to improve productivity and reduce the wastes in our little Lego exercise as they build the go-kart. The record for building this go-kart is now 7 seconds. Madness, absolute madness. That was set last week, I believe, by the adults actually at the Lean Thinking workshop that we did at the Holiday Inn in Ashford North. So I'm going to get my stuff out the back of the car and I'm going to head in, sign in and get started. Have a lovely day and a great week. Take care.